How to create and promote events on Facebook page. If any day you would like to create and promote your events on Facebook page, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch Facebook on your mobile device. In order to do so, first of all, tap on Facebook on your mobile device. This way the Facebook will be launched. Now you have to go to the three lines on the top. After you go to the three lines on the top, you can see a screen like this. Now you have to go to the option of events. After you tap on the option of events, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the plus icon on the top. You have to tap on the plus icon on the top. And after you tap on the plus icon on the top, you'll be able to create a new events. You can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap the very event that you are creating, and you can tap the very event's name very properly. You can also select the date and time, and you have to select whether the event is in virtual form or it is in the physical form. If it's in physical form, you have to enter the very location, and you can also write the details out here. And after that, you have to go to the option of create event. And after you tap on the option of create event, your very event will be created. Now you have to wait for your event to be promoted. In order to promote your event, you have to wait for a while, and after that, you have to invite the various kind of people there. And after you kind of invite the people, your promotion will be done in a way. And next way, you can also monetize the very event, in which way your very event will be promoted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you liked our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.